Whether you're unwinding after a long day, hosting guests, or simply enjoying a quiet weekend, Cozy Haven is the guardian of your cozy retreat, offering comfort in every lounging posture. It's not just a sofa cover, it's a symphony of luxurious home indulgence. Versatility is Cozy Haven's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to protecting your sofa, it adapts to your diverse living room styles. The variety of colors and the customizable fit allow you to tailor the sofa wrap to suit different moods and occasions, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various relaxation challenges. Whether you're going for a classic look, a vibrant ambiance, or a cozy winter theme, Cozy Haven is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of sofa covering. It's not just a polar fleece sofa cover, it's an avant-garde solution to your luxurious lounging versatility. Operation is a breeze with Cozy Haven sofa wrap. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily drape the cover over your sofa with minimal effort. The durable fabric and secure fit ensure stability, making Cozy Haven sofa wrap a reliable indulgence for your daily relaxation. It's not just a sofa cover, it's an easy upgrade to a world of cozy efficiency. But what about durability? Cozy Haven sofa wrap doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality polar fleece fabric, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying lounging conditions. The plush fabric and secure fit maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your sofa cover remains a reliable and luxurious choice for the long run. It's not just a sofa cover, it's a durable investment in the comfort and style of your home sanctuary. Now, let's talk about the experience. Cozy Haven sofa wrap isn't just a polar fleece sofa cover, it's a sensory delight. The soft embrace, the variety in colors, and the overall enhancement of your living room, it's a symphony of modern home indulgence. The experience isn't just about covering your sofa, it's about turning every lounging moment into a harmonious blend of comfort and luxury. In the grand narrative of home essentials, Cozy Haven sofa wrap isn't just a cover, it's a revolution. It's a hero that doesn't just protect your furniture, it does so with plush luxury and style. It's the luxurious retreat you never knew you needed, turning the routine of lounging into a refined and indulgent experience.